You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting food names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This means ice cream in French, and is said as glace in French. Now, if you're looking for glace, that has an acute accent on the E, glace or glace. This is said as glace without the accent, glace, and it means ice cream in French, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.